Right, so I couldn't find any good information online about doing this. I like my milky lattes, and I was looking for a way to do that in the backcountry. I don't want to be carrying liquid milk with me. I got this Aeropress Go, which is nice, and I found a way to make a latte with it that works well for me. So all I've got is, you know, I tried it with some of the paper filters and they clogged up really quickly, so I've got a cheap metal filter disc that has the tiny little perforations in it. I think this is a coarse grade one, which is probably what you want. Focus. All right, so we're just gonna chuck, you know, a bit of the old coffee grounds in there, and your plain old milk powder. Sure, why not just chuck like a bunch of that in there. Throw in your hot water, not boiling, hot. And give that a bit of a stir. And then just chuck the filter and top on, which I'm doing it with one hand. Watch me spill this and scald myself, and we'll come back in a second. Wait, get out of it. All right, so that's steeped for about 2 minutes. I just wanted to say, like, the reason for doing it this way, especially with the inverted method, is so that when I'm doing it in the backcountry, when I've just got my camp stove and my single pot, I can heat up water in that, put everything in there, do this, and then press it back into the cup. So trying to keep things as simple and as light and as few elements as possible. So yeah, with the milk powder in there is a little more resistance. Does back the filter up a little bit, but you know, it's not too bad. You can do it. And there we have it. One delicious frothy latte.